Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the source and the target so the tool can work reliably. First, check your video format and resolution because encoding limits affect quality and speed. Once done, pick the languages and decide whether you need dubbed audio, subtitles, or both. This changes processing steps. Make sure you have a transcript or enable auto-transcribe and fix obvious errors. If audio is noisy, upload an SRT to avoid misinterpretation and speed up the next steps. Now you configure the translation engine and timing to control how translations appear or sound. Choose a neural or literal model depending on fidelity versus speed, and pick regional variants to match audience expectations. Next, align timestamps and enable speaker identification if multiple voices exist so captions and dubs stay coherent. Also set punctuation normalization to avoid run-on lines. If dubbing, select a voice, adjust speed and tone, and set the sample rate. These choices preserve intent and naturalness in the final output. Finish by exporting and verifying the translated outputs so viewers get a polished experience. Export as merged video, separate audio tracks, or sidecar SRT/VTT depending on platform requirements, then run spot checks across the timeline for lip sync, timing, translation accuracy, and consistent audio levels. If you find errors, retranscribe just the problematic segments, tweak the translation model or timing offsets, and re-export only those pieces. A key troubleshooting tip: if translations drift, regenerate transcripts with the highest quality audio settings before reprocessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.